up, Jen? We wanted to film a demo video for you, so we came to Chula Vista High School, which is a really cool high school. They got buildings on one side, some finished fields, but I see more than half the property is essentially unfinished property. And we thought, what better way could we show off how we could help you than to take some high-resolution imagery of Chula Vista High School and allow you to see areas that you might be able to apply your services at. So we'll have a roof report, we'll have information about the fields, we'll be able to get you sizes and volumes, all the things you need to do to be able to make your proposals. So thank you for taking our time to watch our demo video, and we're excited to work with you soon.